It's mega snowing now. I think that's a good time to walk to the top of the driveway and collect my packages. Look how beautiful. And it's so odd because the sun is like peeking out through that cloud right there. So bizarre. It's really gorgeous. I'm having a little bit of a rough day, like inspiration and motivation wise. I have a lot of inspiration actually, I just don't have the motivation or the means at the moment. Anyway, this is good because I should get my camera and take a photograph. If it's still like this hazy snow when I come back, and when I get back to the house I will, because this is really special. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have to be quick. Anyway, this is exciting though, because one of the things I'm walking up to pick up is a UV light so that I can do controlled and accurate cyanotype prints in the wintertime. So I'm so excited for. It's also like a major part of my thesis and the booklet / zine that I'm putting together right now. So yay! Fingers are so cold and my socks are slipping. I did not properly suit up, but who cares? I'm hanging out in the hallway. Getting this meeting done is like the biggest thing I need to check off today. I'm sort of like one of these people that if you have a 4 o'clock appointment or meeting, it's like impossible to get anything else done before then. Oh, it's so frustrating. Ooh, that's really good. Very unexpected. Maybe in the middle. That movie was better than I expected. I kind of loved it. I'm making tea and going to bed.